The installation of HF can be referred to the above figure. Communication line. For detailed information, please refer to the instruction manual. Wi-Fi settings. After the scan is successful, it will automatically jump. It will automatically jump after successful loading. Connected network. You can check the real-time data of the battery here. Check the status of the battery cell. Click to view the communication protocol. Bluetooth settings. After the scan is successful, it will connect automatically. You can check the real-time data of the battery here. Check the status of the battery cell. Battery failure notification. Enter the password. Click on the inverter type under the communication you want to use. The settings are completed.